Let's make pineapple chocolate cake. First, we'll be mixing 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder in a bowl. Then you add 70 ml of water. Mix very well and set aside. Next, in a bowl, sift in 175 grams of all-purpose flour, which is 1 cup and 3 tablespoons. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Add 150 grams of sugar. Then you mix. Next, you add 3 medium eggs, 150 soft butter, 150 grams soft butter. Then you add the cocoa mix, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, whisk for just 30 seconds. Don't overmix this. After 30 seconds, scrape down the bowl. Then you go again for another 30 seconds. Give a final mix using your spatula. Now place your cut pineapple underneath the baking pan. Make sure you line your pan with baking paper. Then you pour your butter in. Spread out the butter to cover the pineapple. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, our cake is ready. Allow it to cool completely. Then for the ganache, I'm using chocolate milk. Add heavy cream inside, then microwave for just 1 minute. Mix very well. Add your pineapple puree and mix again. Allow it to chill for 15 minutes in the fridge. Then after 15 minutes, whisk this for just 1 minute, 1 to 2 minutes max. Do not over whisk. After 1 minute or 2, set this aside and then back to our cake. Make sure you cover your baking pan with cling film. Then you have the cake. Now place the top half in the baking pan. Like this. In a cup, I'll be adding half tablespoon of sugar. Add a little bit of water, then you drizzle on the cake. Once that is done, pour in your ganache. Then place the second half on it. And guys, this is so easy, very quick, easy to make. Now bring it out, slice and enjoy. What do you think about this recipe, guys? Will you be trying? Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this. And please don't forget to like, share and comment. And if you have not subscribed yet on my channel, please support me by subscribing to my channel, like, share and comment. Join this community and let's grow together. Thank you all guys for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Bye guys.